What's going on, trillionaires? And so I am coming today because I'm talking about what I'm going to bring to you guys in January. So after much talk, people have been asking me, how do I create these flyers, these banners, these logos? What am I doing? And am I doing it myself? And the answer is yes, I'm doing it myself, but I also show you guys how I'm doing it. So what I'm deciding to do is do a one-day masterclass on Sunday, June 9th. So on June 9th, sorry, no, excuse me, June 9th. On January 9th, I'm always shooting too far. Y'all probably died trying to wait for me to come June 9th to show you this information. So on January 9th, I'm going to be doing a one-day live masterclass to show you guys how I do my images and my logo creation. And I'm calling it the one-day masterclass image and logo creation using ChatGPT. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you guys right now why you want to definitely come into the class and what you're gonna learn in this class. So instead of me trying to tell you this, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you exactly what I've been doing, and I'm gonna show you exactly how I do it on this masterclass. This one-day masterclass. Now, let me go and share my screen real quick so I can show you guys exactly what it is that I'm going to be showing you guys on the masterclass. So if you can see right here, I'm going to make this big. And so I've been creating my brands and different brands for people for a minute. And so, for instance, there's people in the network marketing industry, right? And I have a company in network marketing, and it's called a whole nother company. But I started to brand me, right? I wanted to brand me for that funding company. And so I'm Cashflow Trills, right? So this one image I created in ChatGPT, Cashflow Trills, right? But also, this is another version of what I created, right? Okay. And then a more simpler version of Cashflow Trills. And this is the icon. So I always create the icons and the actual logos, right? So this is the icon, right? Well, this is the actual logo, another version of logo, and then I create this icon as well. So I'll be showing you how to create your logos and your icons for what it is that you're looking to do, right? That's one, logos and icons, right? Another thing I'm gonna talk to you guys and show you guys about is, so this is another brand I've done, right? Here's the actual logo, right? That's the logo for my insurance business. And this is the icon that I created for the logo. Okay. So this simple agent, then not a baby agent, right? That's the logo. Okay. Now, cool thing about this, I've also created a music. So I'll be teaching you guys in the AI automation how to actually make branded music. And I'll be giving you guys a snippet on this one-day masterclass on how I actually create music for my business product or service. And so I created the logo for my music group. I call them MDBA, which stands for Million Dollar Baby Agent, right? But we'll talk about that inside the masterclass and how I created that and the mindset behind it. Okay. On top of that, I'm gonna start showing you how I'm able to actually create uh flyers. Okay, so I have a rideshare company and I created our weekly flyer, right? That we do a weekly every week, and this is a flyer I created here in ChatGPT. Now, on top of that, I've actually created flyers as well. Can you imagine? This all came from ChatGPT, right? Not just the front, but the back, right? Show you the back. Okay. Right? So nice, clean, smooth. It's print ready, okay? For one of my travel companies. Now, cool thing about this, when you learn this skill set, your brand is everything. So people start to follow you based on how you look on social media. If you want to create your shirt, I created a shirt. Fake it till you make it. I probably wear that shirt on the actual call. But I created this right in ChatGPT, fake it until you make it instead of fake it until you make it, right? So I created that. I made a actual see-through, and boom, the shirt has been created. I'll show you that inside the masterclass. And of course, I made my other logos, right, which is Viral Trills. Okay. How cool is that? Viral Trills, now vibrant colors popping. So imagine it's on the shirt, which I got the shirt made. Imagine on the shirt, it's going to pop and bring that brand awareness. And here's that was the logo, and this is the actual icon for the logo. So I'm going to teach you how to do all that inside the masterclass, okay? And this is the masterclass, the one-day masterclass image and logo creation. All right. So you have the link inside of the actual classroom. I'm sorry, inside of the Trillionaire Elite community, right? So the link will be actually in this post that you're about to see right here. It's going to be the post you're going to see, and this video is going to be on this post. Okay. Now, come back and watch the video. And if you're watching this on YouTube or on social media, go ahead and make sure you click the link to join me in my community. So you'll get access to my community for free, and then you'll see the posts to actually go ahead and get registered for the actual class. Okay. Now, let me show you a couple of things, Lil. I don't want to keep this there too long. All right. Inside of this actual class, I'm going to be talking about how to create, and I'm not even going to show it right now. I'm going to save it for you guys, but I'm going to show you how to actually, this is something special that I'm going to show you how to create these, and I'm going to show you what they are for. Imagine you had some visuals on your Zoom, okay? Show you how to create those. Now, like I said, the object of this class is to show you how to create business flyers, business branding, and everything you see here, I've created inside of my ChatGPT. I'll show you what projects are, how to use it effectively, and how to make sure that your ChatGPT is not hallucinating, right? Not hallucinating at all. So let me show you everything that you see here in this community right here. All these right here, I created this inside of my ChatGPT. No Canva, none of that was required. Now, I do show you some places where I do use Canva based on the wordings to help you do that, but I'll talk to you more about that in class, but it's so easy, okay? So this is actually all these banners right here. I created it. I actually show you how to take somebody's brand. So this is one of the products that I actually resell. And I was able to take their brand and collide it with my brand to make this thing uniquely branded, okay? So I'm gonna show you how I take this brand and then collide it with my brand and make a phenomenal cover or a flyer, okay? Same thing if you wanted to make actual YouTube banners, right? We're gonna show you how to create those as well. We'll go over here, and I just created this banner right here. Boom. This is for my YouTube channel, okay? Now, the cool thing about my YouTube channel, I created this banner, and I'm going to show you how to properly resize it so that it fits your YouTube banner, and to show you how to fit it perfectly on your actual covers in your community. As you build a community, I'm going to show you how to properly get these resized so that it'll fit perfectly every single time without stressing about how to properly resize your stuff for YouTube or for the school covers. Show you exactly how to do everything so you'll be stress-free about it. Okay. So all we're gonna do right now, right below, is gonna be what it costs to get into this masterclass. $17. I'm doing it crazy. I know. $17 for general admission. That means you get to actually tune in live, take all the notes you can take, all you want, and there you have it. But then if you want to actually get the access to the you want to do Q&A and replays, then it's only going to be in my school, right? Just come into here. Let me show you what it look like. Come into the school, right? Go into actual classrooms, and you want to click on right here. So $37 one time, you get access to all the replays, and you'll be a part of the Q&A section that we're going to go into after I finish the initial class. We're going to go into a Q&A session, and I have that link for you once you actually get in on the inside. Matter of fact, it's going to be ready for you. The link will be ready for you actually when you pay for this. It's actually going to be ready for you inside of the actual classroom. So when you get it, click on the link and you pay your $37, you get on the inside. The link, the VIP is going to be inside here. So there won't be any questions where to go for VIP. It's going to be another tab here that says a VIP link for live class. And like I said, we're going to have an amazing time, have amazing fun. So make sure that you go ahead and get your spot locked in before this thing sells out. Because I don't want to take too many people in, because I want to be a little more intimate. I want to be able to talk to you guys, help you guys individually. For those who are at the VIP and do the Q&As, are going to help you guys as we do it live on there. But on the call, I'm going to show you guys how I do it. You guys can practice with me live on the call. And then if you got any questions or you got anything you want to talk about it, we're going to the VIP, and so we can do the Q&A for the $37 one time, and you'll be locked in for this training here, and you get all the replays and also the replay to the Q&A as well. Any tools and tips I want to put in here, I'll put those in here, okay? So, like I say, it's time for you to be great. I look forward to seeing you in the masterclass, the one-day masterclass, where you're going to learn everything you need to learn to dominate, because your presence is everything. How you look on the internet would determine how people will receive you, okay? They're going to receive you based on how you look on the internet. So it's time to make your brand something memorable, make your brand something where people feel like they want access to it. Because I promise you, once you do that, this is one key of dominating your marketplace with your product, business, and services. So like I said, I look forward to seeing you in the master class. Be great because you already are great. Peace.